So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add background to text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top here and press on text. Once you're here, I want you to just type in whatever you want. So I'll just go ahead and type in the word background just like this. I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to add a background behind the text right here that sort of follows it around, it's super simple. Press on the text right here, go to where it says style just like this, and at the top here where it says shape styles, you can actually go ahead and add one of them. So if you want to add a blue background to text, you can go ahead and do that. A green background to text, whatever the case may be, you can change the color as well. It's completely up to you. You can also have a border around the text right here. Whatever the case may be, it's completely up to you. So if you go back to text right here and you were to change this and make it a little bit larger, the background will stay with it and follow it that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add background to text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.